My name is Dozie Anyebuna. I'm co-founder of Gidimo. Gidimo is a personal advancement tool that uses mastery of concepts and topics to drive a student or a professional to learn a particular course or pass a particular exam. By localization, we're basically trying to say that when you're trying to solve a user's issue, a user problem, and you're trying to deliver a product that delivers value and solves the user's problem, it's important to consider who the user is, where the user is coming from, the culture and the environment in which the user has been in throughout his or her life. The way I would say we're doing it is, first of all, it's very important to, after scoping out or after writing out what your product idea is, it's important to pilot and get feedback. So that single action in itself helped solve a lot of the problems we stumble into while building our product. A big example could be broadband. So like in Nigeria right now, broadband is still a big issue for people. So if you build an app, if you take an idea that relies heavily on heavy data usage, then that idea is not going to work, because then that means you're going to kick out majority of the consumers who struggle with data right here at the moment. But we found out that some of the users would register on multiple phones with the same account just because they wanted to win the prize. So at that end, we now had to start adjusting to capture this kind of people who play on multiple accounts and at the same time weed them out of the system so that we ensure that everybody who plays fairly gets to win. Down here, a lot of Africans carry big phones because they feel that the phone, they can see everything on the phone. Now that affects what you're going to do with them. It affects the kind of product you're going to give them. It affects the kind of images you're going to use when you're developing the app you're developing for them. Localization helps keep us in check. It ensures that at every single point in time, we are creating a product that the consumers understand and a product that solves the problem we think they had or the problem they know they have.